Want this?
Shock edit that.
Let me show you. First, download and install the plugin. Once downloaded, drag and drop the installer into the Fusion page and click OK. Now you need the Converter app. This app converts audio into image data that the plugin reads inside Resolve. To install it, go to the GitHub page and download the app. If you are using the free version, make sure you download the one labeled free. You may see a warning. If you are uncomfortable, you can read the FAQ on the website to understand why the warning appears. You can also fully inspect the source code yourself or analyze it with AI. On macOS, you can use the Python version. Install Python 3.10, install the requirements, and run the script. Convert your audio. Once the app is running, drag and drop your audio, then select a band mode. The 10-band option looks the cleanest. If you want more detail, use the 25-band one, and then just click Convert. How to use. Open DaVinci Resolve. Import both your audio and the converted image. Place the audio on the timeline. Add a Fusion composition or adjustment clip above it, making sure it fully covers the audio. If you have the paid version, simply drag and drop a preset, load your audio, and adjust the parameters. If you want full control or you are using the free version, open the clip in Fusion. Add the converted image, then add the nodes, player, converter, and a visualizer of your choice. All visualizers start with this specific name. That's it. Your visuals are now reacting to your audio. But this system goes much further. To control timing and animation behavior, add time effects. These start with VZ_T. To control how the visuals react to audio, add frequency effects. These start with Vs_F. You can boost hits, enhance bass, control volume, or EQ the audio like in a DAW. Next are the visualizers. These are the core visual styles I prepared. You can build your own, but that requires more advanced Fusion knowledge. After that come the effects. These can turn a simple visualizer into something far more complex. And there's more. If you do not want any visual shapes and want to make your own visuals react to audio, add a converter probe instead of a converter. This node outputs the exact value of each frequency band. You can use those values in any slider with expressions and simple math. If you want ready-made solutions, search for the nodes that start with VZ_PVZ. They automatically react to audio. Important warning, all of the PVZ nodes except the zoom and the zoom blur are unstable due to a Fusion bug. They may corrupt your project. Enable project backups and disable or delete these nodes before saving. We'll let you know in the comments when this is fixed. Limitations. Do not cut or trim the Fusion composition or adjustment clip. It must stay perfectly aligned with the audio. If you need to cut or trim, use the Bake Keyframes button from the player node. After baking, you can trim the clip, but you still cannot change its position. To move it without breaking sync, trim the clip's start and end, or move the audio together with the composition. That's it. Make sure to check out my other stuff too. Have fun creating.
Shock edit that.